Here's AQI app, real-time air pollution data app. So, this app is quite popular, I guess, in India, some other places. And it just identifies the air pollution levels. It provides you the most accurate and real-time air quality index weather and open fire data from the nearest ambient air quality monitoring stations. It will give you an alert how good or harmful air you are breathing, keep a track of ambient air pollutants. So that's basically the idea of this app. You can see some levels. There are different metrics: humidity, PM10, PM2.5, PM1. So I don't know, there are all these metrics which just depend on like size of the particles. And in some parts of the world, like Delhi, New Delhi, I guess, pollutions can be quite big. So for example, if you just allow location of this app, and then here you can just see set your location, and then you can just see, all right, so the air quality index is good. Your dashboard, so then you can just see all the dashboards. Health advice, and then it's like nearest location. You can see also the chart, you can see the list, map, and all of things like that. So and then what else you have? You have some solutions, you have some things which you can buy through the app. You have blog, which you can read here. And then that's what it is here, the dashboard, and then all other locations. So pretty cool app. Then you can just go to your location by tapping the central button. So something like that. And then your name. Try it out.